it's raining outside. So this is what Davis has been doing. Hi. Say hi, Aunt Margo. Say hi.
Margo's here. Margo's here.
I know she's not here. You're saying hi to her.
Hi, Margo.
Say, I love you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
Give me a big kiss. Give her a kiss. Oh, wow. Got a lot of sugar there. So I'm going to show you something else. Harper is right here. I know, she looks like Davis, but she's right here. Let me show you how much she loves drinking out of water. Maybe this way. Well, here you go. Which way do you want to? Okay. But what is Davis doing? And there goes Harper again with the bottle. Whoa. She's spilling it. Okay. I don't know how much I can how long of a video I can send you. I look beautiful, by the way. Oh, wow. But I'm going to stop this.